These are the top 10 performers of the 39 stocks which I track and analyze on a daily basis over the past year. As you can see, the top one is Vertiv at 264%, and the bottom one was Meta at 80%. Now let's look at the top 10 of the 39 over the past month. And you can see we're going into a change. We're going into a shift. We have put the GPUs into the data centers. We're now correcting our mistakes, and we're putting artificial intelligence to work. The top one is SoundHound. It's up 40%. The bottom one is Ultra Clean. It's up 12%. That's for the month. Okay, so now we have to say what are my top picks for the next 30 months, and that again is a whole new group of stocks. These are the stocks that are going to implement the artificial intelligence and bring it to you and give you a better life. It's led by Iris. This is a group of data centers that is converting from crypto mining to data processing. On the bottom is SYM. This is the company that is going to robotize all of Walmart, Target's, and many other people's distribution centers in the future. This is the implementation of artificial intelligence. The next big thing you need to watch for is those Walgreens stores that were just announced to be closed are going to be turned into niche data centers. This is how I pick stocks. If you'd like daily access to my stock picks and my cheat sheet, go to bestofusinvestors.com, page down, find the entry point to our Platinum program, and take advantage of our 14-day free trial.